Hello, and welcome to Blackboard Collaborate Ultra Training, also known as BBC. Okay, we're going to get set up and we will begin recording. Let me share my files with you. Okay, we're all set. Let's jump right in. Again, this is Blackboard Collaborate Ultra Training. Here we go. What is Blackboard Collaborate? Blackboard Collaborate is a real-time video conferencing tool that lets you add files, share applications, and use a virtual whiteboard to interact with your participants. Collaborate with the Ultra experience opens up right in your browser, so you don't have to install any software to join a session. It is completely web-based. Okay. There are some considerations that need to be taken into consideration when using Blackboard Collaborate. One, please make sure that you use Google Chrome. Internet Explorer does not work with Blackboard Collaborate, so please be sure that you're using Google Chrome. If Google Chrome is not your default browser, all you need to do is to copy and paste your link into Google Chrome. Also, it is not necessary to use VPN when using BBC, Blackboard Collaborate. Upon your first time logging in, you may receive a login error. Simply refresh the address bar. Also, muting your microphone upon logging in and testing your microphone and video camera are best practice. Highly important and a new change. Immediately navigate to the session settings area to enable the whiteboard, the chat, audio, and video features before you start your session. Use the raise hand feature or the chat room for participant questions to be addressed by the moderator. Also, remember to record your session for later posting or sharing. There's also further directives coming down about what should be recorded and what shouldn't be recorded. So for now, due to privacy issues, only record sessions that you are hosting individual lessons, meaning you are the only person in your session. Do not post sessions where children are joining in at this time. Again, only post pre-recorded sessions. Okay? Also, at the end of your session, before you sign out, please make sure that you navigate back to the session settings area and uncheck, make it unavailable, your whiteboard, the chat, and the audio and video features. That is extremely important. Okay? Once your session has been created, you will receive an email from Blackboard Collaborate. That email is going to contain the link that you are to use as the moderator for your session, and you should never share that link with anybody. And you will also, in that email, receive a link that you are to share with your participants, i.e. your students. That is a shareable link. Blackboard Collaborate will never ask you for your username or password. If so, you're using the incorrect link and you need to get in touch with your SBIT. This is the error message that you might have received at login. You're going to want to let your participant students know this information as well, that the first time that they click on that link, they may get this error message, and to simply navigate them up to the refresh bar here and hit the refresh button, and they should gain access into your session. The roles. There are 4 different roles that come with the BBC. First, you have the scheduler, and that's myself. I create your sessions, and as of now, everybody has a session. There's the moderator role. Everybody is the moderator of their session. That means that you have full control over the sessions. You get to set the session settings, the notification settings, and you have full control over that session. Another role is the presenter. The presenter can upload, share, edit, and stop sharing content. This might be helpful if students are sharing a project and you need for that student to be able to upload their file and be able to speak to the file and share the file with everybody that's in the session. And then people are defaulted as participants as they enter your session, okay? Only thing that they can do as a student is enable and disable notifications. You can change the roles from within the session as your session is going along, and we will go over that later. Moderators. Moderators can make any participant a presenter or a moderator. Moderators decide if participants can share audio and video, chat, and draw on the whiteboard, or share files. Moderators can see the hand raise notifications and can lower hands. Moderators get an email with the links to their recorded sessions. Okay, so this is what your welcome screen is going to look like when you first enter the session, both for you and for your participants. This area here, this black area, this is considered your main room. This is where everybody's kind of hanging out, okay? This is where all the action is going to occur, is right here in this main room, okay? And when you get to this area, you need to follow your prompts that come up on your screen to test your microphone and your video camera, okay? Next, we're going to go over this area here with your session settings. And actually,